continue forever, you know.
That's how it's done every year.
You know,
thank you, my dear.
It's actually my first time of attending the ceremony.
Really?
Yes, I just love the dance troops with their different colors. You know, they were dancing so well. I loved it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's just beautiful. You know, it's a very beautiful sight to behold.
Yeah, that is the highest festival in this kingdom, apart from the Igwe's of Fala.
Oh wow, that's great. You know what I like about your people? I like something so much about them. They have their ways of doing things, their unique ways of doing things. I really love your people. I love this kingdom.
Thank God the Fejiako festival has come and gone. What we should be concerned about now is your marriage with my son.
Yes.
Because that day is going to be another special day. I can't wait to see you.
I can't wait too.
You're very funny, Mom.
I'm funny.
Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait too. I can't wait. I'm happy that you're saying this, my queen. I'm so happy.
Don't worry, my dear. My husband will be coming to meet your father soon, so that they'll fix the date for your traditional marriage.
Oh, yes.
Tell your mother that day will be so colorful, and I can't wait.
Oh, of course, to be
I know,
special.
after that, people should give me grandchildren.
Did you hear her? Her grandchildren.
Very funny.
Then after your marriage to my son, the next person will be Adeze.
Yes, you.
Let me tell you, it's not all those boys that come here with separation. It's not going to be any of them. You must marry a handsome, tall, rich, beautiful, rich prince. So you can give me beautiful grandchildren.
Mom, trust me now. Trust me.
You know those that wear slippers and come here.
Have you heard Adeze? But I trust Adeze now. She has a man standing by already, right? Adeze.
Adeze. Okay.
Did you hear me say anything?
I didn't say anything. No problem. Let us say something now. Because it's your turn next.
Oh my goodness.
Oh God. Today I had it so hectic for me. I'm like, my dear, I need to go in and rest.
Okay.
Please greet your parents for me when you get home.
I will.
They'll soon hear from us. And tell them that day they'll see me in a different angle.
Okay.
Please tell Adeze it's her turn next.
Adeze, do you hear her? It's your
for
turn.
my grandchildren.
It's your turn.
Let's just stop finishing my juice in this house.
Come and have your juice.
So Adeze, tell me, who is this special guy?
You know now. He's one handsome and rich guy. Trust me now. You know what other people are doing.
Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me.
Trust me now. And he's rich.
Okay. You know, yesterday was wonderful. Like, it was amazing.
Just before we bring this meeting to a close, I want to thank all of you for the various contributions you made towards the wonderful success of our just concluded Job Festival. It was wonderful. Proud of all of you. One observation I want to make. Let us at all times endeavor to protect, to preserve the culture and the tradition of Umueke. Why? That is the legacy handed over to us by our forefathers. Which means that we owe the succeeding generation a responsibility to ensure that they also inherit that legacy. Unadulterated. 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 Other communities around us envy us a great deal because of the tremendous progress we have made in our community. That progress wouldn't have been possible but for the continuous sacrifices we have offered to Ogugu, our deity. Yes. What I'm saying, we must never fail in that respect.
Obaka Babulani. I can't tell you.
Egwe na travel blues.
Ha, champion in a book.
Neno kama no kana mo.
Egwe.
Akede.
What to wear?
Anyo na ebi igwe.
Oh, who the one? No. Ha! You are a great king indeed. Also the bat says, I am the only animal that has the ability to perch upside down. You are a great king indeed.
Yes.
And the entire kingdom is very proud of you. As you know of this kingdom, the progress of this land is uppermost in my mind.
Right.
Iwe, there is something I would have said here, but I want us to discuss it privately. Did you get a mood?
Yeah.
No.
Thank you, Nero, for the wonderful speech. And Nero's wonderful speech brings this meeting to an end. We shall convene again in a IKE market day, that's in 4 days' time. Shall be well with all of What was it you said you wanted us to discuss in private?
For the love and respect I have for you, that is why I want us to discuss this thing privately.
Okay, so what is it?
Igwe, your son has become an Osu.
What?
Yes.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? My own son?
He has become an Osu.
How? How?
Igwe, the first time I saw him in Mazu Uzondo's house. And the second time, I saw him with Mazu Uzondo's daughter in his car.
No, I don't believe you. You saw my son.
Igwe, my eyes will not see him. I saw him and two of them. You have no heir to this throne now. Because your son is an Osu. And you know the tradition. When a freeborn mixes with an outcast, he automatically becomes an Osu.
My own son. Yes. My own son. Were you the only person who saw him?
Ichi Akabo. Both of us.
What do you suggest?
I don't really know. Maybe the chief priest can handle this. Yes.
Your brother not to make the worst mistake of his life. Go and warn Emenike for me. Warn him more.
What's the matter?
Your brother was supposed to go to Mwebe Kingdom today with your father to formalize his marriage right between himself and Olag. I spoke with him and he was there telling me rubbish. What nonsense! He said he's not ready to get married. That's what your brother said.
Is he not going again?
You had better go and warn your brother. What is wrong with Emenike? Is your brother not old enough to father a child? He's my only son. Ever since he came back from abroad, he has been busy saying nonsense. And I've been enduring it, but I am tired.
Well, I know Emenike so well. I think he has a reason for doing that.
What stupid reason? What stupid reason does Emenike have? The child is being cautioned about his life and he's busy requesting to see blood. What is wrong with your brother?
I'll find out why he said that.
You had better do. Tell your brother not to jeopardize the relationship between our kingdom and Umuebe kingdom. He has to be careful. He is the future king of this kingdom. Also warn him about his relationship with that outcast, Ndiakepe. Warn him, oh, he will not disgrace me in this kingdom. He will not do that. What nonsense reason? What wrong did I do now?
Emenike, please excuse me.
Yes, what's the problem?
You can go.
I hope there's no problem.
It's about Mom. You see, she's not happy. She's worried. She's worried about 3 things. 1, you no longer stay in the palace. 2, your relationship with Princess Urako. 3, the rumor going about town that you are now an Osu. Minike.
Adeze, you are the only sister I have after the death of our elder sister. Adeze, I am not happy with this kingdom, the way things are going. Do you believe that this kingdom still sacrifices human beings to the gods? Do you believe that? Human beings like you and I? Adeze, the atrocities in this land have forced our people to dedicate themselves to the gods for protection. As for Olaku's issue, that is the least of my worries. Adeze, my worry is the kind of suffering our people are undergoing in this community. That is my problem. That is what is killing me. Don't worry, Adeze. I have something important to attend to now. When I come back, we'll sit down and talk about this, okay?
Okay, but you have to be very careful. You have to be careful, please. You know you're my only brother. Please.
Trust me, your brother is very careful. Okay?
Are you sure?
Don't worry, yeah. I'm fine. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Sure.
Just take care of yourself, okay?
Alright, let's go.
My princess, what has she done?
How dare you? How dare you? Huh? How dare you compete with me for my man? Huh? How dare you?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You butterfly.
fly who thinks she's a bird. You want to fly, right? You want to fly. You want to fly, right? Please. Do you know who I am? I am the princess of Umuebetan. That's who I am. No one competes with me. Have I made myself clear? Have I made myself clear? You want to fly, right? You want to fly? Have I made myself clear? Gods, let's go.
I appreciate everything you have done so far. I'm quite grateful. Give me 2 days to investigate so I can get back to you.
Yeah, thank you, Your Highness. I have to be on my way.
Wait, don't be in a hurry. You are in the house of the Igwe, you know. Come on. I think it can get you a few liters of petrol to take you back to the office.
Oh, back at the second. Igwe. Oh, back at Baburenyi. Thank you very much.
All right. In 2 days, I'll get back to you.
I appreciate your kind gesture. Igwe, thank you very much.
Right.
Oji dollar. Emoko. Oh, back at the second. Thank you very, very much. Yes, I am at your service. Oji dollar. Emoko. Igwe, you can always count on me. Sure, sir.
Yes, so you said there is something you want to tell me. Go on.
Yes, Father. See, Dad, I am sincerely sorry if what I'm about to say now will get you infuriated. I don't want to marry Princess Olako.
Why?
See, Dad, she does not possess the qualities I want in a woman. Besides, I don't love her.
Let's take love out of the equation first. None of us can claim to have married out of love, no. You saw a girl you liked, you indicated interest, and she became your wife. I mean, it was like that. I never married your mother out of love. Same goes for the father of that girl, who happens to be my friend. He's a king like I am. And because we were childhood friends, we've known each other for a long time, we thought that the best way to cement our relationship permanently, so to speak, would be for you to marry the daughter. Okay, what are those qualities you want in a woman that she does not have?
I want to marry a woman, first of all, who is going to love me. Who will love my family, respect me, respect my family. Somebody who can take care of a house. Somebody who will accommodate everybody and sees everybody as one. But all these things I don't get. What do I get from her, Dad? Insults, disrespectfulness. She talks to people anyhow. She insults people. She's saucy. That she insults me in public before my guards.
Don't you think that if both of you begin to live as husband and wife, she's likely to change? She probably will get domesticated if you start to live as husband and wife. And the qualities you want would grow on her, don't you think so? So I suggest you give her a chance.
Dad, I have tried my best. It is not working. Dad, let me ask you a question. Can you turn back the hands of the clock? That she can never change.
No. I'm asking you to give her a chance because nobody is perfect. Nobody. But I am not. You are not. She is not. Her father is not. Your mother is not. But you see, tolerance goes a long way and it's a very big virtue. So I still insist you give her a chance.
What is wrong with this boy?
Where is he going?
I don't know. Are you sure America hasn't lost his senses?
You see, at times I don't blame him.
Meaning?
I think Emenike doesn't love Princess Ulako enough to get married to her. After all, we all know she doesn't possess good character.
Will you shut up your mouth? He's talking rubbish. I think you're supporting your brother. Okay? Your father must hear about this.
Adako, how are you?
I'm fine, my prince.
Welcome. Obviously, you're coming from the stream.
Yes, my friend.
You see, I noticed something. Each time I see you, you are busy doing one chore or the other. Do you have time to rest?
Yes, my prince, I do. They are my responsibilities and I'm happy doing them.
Oh, for real?
I have to be going now. I want to go home and cook.
Oh, you want to go and cook?
Yes, my
Okay,
prince.
in that case, let me help you today. Let me drop you at your house.
No, my prince, I can go home.
Oh, come on. Don't be afraid, okay? Let me help you. Hey, guys, put this water in the fridge.
On your wish, my prince.
I'm going to my in-laws place.
I hope all is well.
No problem, no problem. How's your family?
All right, all right. Okay, you greet your in-laws for me when you very good, huh?
That not is a medical. Yes, it is. Come on. Does it mean he did not see us standing here?
Maybe because the way and manner I see you look very calm and...
I saw my Zondo's daughter inside that car.
Who's on those data in that car?
Yes.
Are you sure of what you saw?
I know what I'm saying.
Eh?
She's the one. I am sure of what I'm saying.
What is the connection between a freeborn and an outcast? Osu and Diala?
Oh no, something is happening.
Huh?
Something is wrong somewhere.
Chiakabog is correct. He's right. He once told me that Prince Emenike frequently visits Mazuzondo's house. Told me that. Now, what do we call this one now? What do we call this one now?
Oh no. I gotta make it. I'm going where I'm going.
Ogugule, Okalusi, onu make negio, ijele ndi umeke o, biko chebanyo, biko ribaja, omugine negio, ona no mume, ona no mume, Igwo baka, onu make negio, eze sinachi, oke mmanwụ, ọkwụlọka, anya anyị ji ahụ ụzọ, ijele ndị umeke, biko chiba anyị o, oro na n'omume, oro na n'omume,